consists of thalamus, subthalamus, epithalamus, and hypothalamus. Diencephalon, 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 diencephalon.
Hit it, Mary.
Maybe it's wrong to say please thalamus, 'cause I know subthalamus. Somebody else is waiting epithalamus. Maybe it's wrong to hypothalamus, 'cause I know it's here to stay. And these are